Hi everyone and welcome back to today's More Report on Monday the 1st of September with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets. Moving on to cable now, and certainly sterling has begun to really push higher. Certainly over the past 8 days there's been a testing of this continued resistance at $1.66, but showing on the intraday chart that resistance has now been decisively broken to the upside. It now looks like this is a proper base pattern, certainly on a near-term basis anyway. That base pattern gives us an implied target on the upside of $1.6675, so not enormous amount of upside, only around 30 odd ticks from here, but it certainly looks like there is something going on. We're breaking this downtrend. This is now going to be a fourth day in a row of sterling strength. That has not been seen since late June, early July. So that was before this big sell-off started. So maybe there is something really going on here. The RSI has pushed above 30, and is now at again the highest since. Late July. Stochastics also at the highest level since late July, and it looks to be now like they're giving a buy signal. MACD lines have crossed over. That is also a buy signal. So there is something near to medium term. Maybe there could be something in this recovery that we're looking at. Now, you wouldn't really go all out and say yes, this is a strong recovery yet, because we haven't really tested a key reaction high within this sell-off yet. That first key reaction high doesn't really come in until 67.40. So quite a way, actually. That's 100 pips to the upside before we get that real test. So there is room for a recovery. The initial resistance comes in at 66.50, which is not far off where we are now. But certainly it looks like this recovery is gaining a bit of traction to the upside. And it certainly has. This is back on the hourly chart again. This is over the past 8 days. It's continually hit up against that 66 figure level every day. Challenging, and now it seems to have broken out. That looks to be quite a strong move, and I think this needs to be backed. It looks like the bulls are behind this one now, so it could well see a bit of a run to the upside. Be interesting to see what happens when the PMI data for the UK comes out. That is just in a few minutes now, so watch out for that. But certainly it looks like that cable is beginning to have a bit of a recovery. The sterling bulls have got a foot in this recovery once again, and we'll see how far it takes. But certainly the upside target initially is 66.75. But as I said, the resistance, the initial resistance comes in at that $1.67 area, which was these key lows here that become the resistance. But the real test will be that reaction high at 67.40. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you later, I think.